streets raised me nigga, so I'm hard as hell. On the corner of the block doing my crack sales, with a gun by my cock in case I gotta kill. With a vest on. Happy Valentine's Day, ladies. Yo, my niggas. What up, what up? Anyway, Valentine's Day today. Kinda late cause me busy, but want to run a social experiment. So if you and your significant other has been together for at least 2 years, I want you to do this. Because she must have it on social media, right? Yeah, just go through. That's a social experiment, you see me? Pick one of them. Instagram, Facebook, wherever. Cut to the Valentine's Day, Snapchat, whichever one. Then, scroll through. If you see a picture with you and her, even places where you know you and her there, like a restaurant, you know, shopping, the park, wherever. If you scroll through, you're gonna see fair picture, even though you know say we need to take pictures together, you know. Or whatever. If you see her put you up on Snap today, on Facebook, you know. Run that one day. Relationship done. She don't like you like that. She don't rate you like that. She don't own you up. You don't feel you are not there even though you are not there. You see what I'm trying to say? That don't make no sense. Because every man who I pray a profile, I go feel she's single. She have 6 men a day and no ask her what she up to. Not trust her. It not gonna work. She not own you up as I say. Relationship done. Let that one go. No more Valentine's Day for she. Be wise. You know what? That can go for the man them too. You see me? Ladies, if him not own you, be wise. The streets raised me nigga, so I'm hard as hell. On the corner of the block doing my crack sales, with a gun by my cock in case I gotta kill. With a vest on knowing that I might catch shells. Every day's a gamble in this place that I dwell. Can't stop even though I know I'm headed for hell. Since 11 I've been in and out.